Thank you all whānau, the board, students and fellow colleagues for coming today to support an awesome day. As we gather for our final assembly for the year, there's an opportunity to reflect on what has been a remarkable journey over the last 3 months. It has brought with it significant change, growth and achievements that we can all be proud of. Our kura has been undergoing some exciting property updates, shaping the spaces that we can learn and connect. These improvements are not just about buildings, but creating an environment that truly reflects the aspirations and needs for our community. These spaces are designed for growth, collaboration and excellence. One of the most heartening changes has been the increase in whānau engagement. Seeing our community come together to support and celebrate our tauira is a testament to the strength of whakawhanaungatanga and our kura. The shared commitment to our tamariki and rangatahi is